Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to write a police report in 2025. Whether you're a law enforcement officer, a student, or just someone who wants to be prepared, knowing this can make a big difference in ensuring accuracy and professionalism. Let's dive right in. First off, why does this matter? In 2025, with advanced digital tools and stricter protocols, a well-written police report can be crucial for investigations, court cases, and even public safety. It serves as an official record, so getting it right is key. Step 1. Gather all the facts. Before you start writing, collect every detail you can. This includes the date, time, location, involved parties, witnesses, and a clear description of the incident. In 2025, don't forget to note any digital evidence like bodycam footage or AI-generated summaries. They're becoming standard. Next, structure your report properly. Start with an introduction that outlines the basics: who, what, when, and where. Then, move into the body, where you describe the events in chronological order. Use simple, objective language, avoid jargon unless necessary, and stick to facts only. For example, instead of saying, "The suspect looked shady," say, "The individual was wearing a dark hoodie and acting evasively." Don't forget key elements like your observations, statements from witnesses, and any evidence collected. In 2025, incorporate any tech integrations, such as timestamped drone footage or blockchain-verified data, to add credibility. Finally, proofread and review. Check for errors, ensure everything is clear and unbiased, and get a second opinion if possible. Remember, accuracy prevents complications down the line. There you have it, a straightforward guide to writing a police report. If you're in law enforcement, practice this regularly. For the rest of us, it's great knowledge to have. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below on your experiences. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.